Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So I am here back with one of the most amazing internships for all of you over here. So now this time the internship is for the graduates and even for the MBA students. So if you're graduated or if you're an MBA student, so you can further go ahead with this particular video. So this particular internship is by Adobe. We all know about this Adobe. So here the internship is all about the project management internship. Okay, that is what is this internship about. So what do you have to do into this respective internship? What are your roles? So this is an internship. The responsibility will be like you'll be acting as a central client point of contact to the projects which you will be having. Okay, during the sales of the projects, you will be understanding and communicating the customer requirements and even the integration points. Okay, you'll be you'll be having the oversee project delivery process with the key contributors so that you can help manage the scope and prepare up the change request. Okay, and then you'll be having the all day-to-day administrative activities reception. Okay, you'll be maintaining up a regular communication with both the customers and the internal teams. Okay, you'll be achieving customer satisfaction through successful delivery of the defined project scope. You'll be you'll be compiling up the customer requests and deployment issues. You'll be working over, you'll be providing the feedbacks. You'll be working out with third parties, subcontractors as well. Okay, you'll be capturing and communicating of the experiences in the formal post-mortems and everything. So that is what all will be your responsibilities for this respective job role. What are the requirements? Requirements are you should be they are requiring a person who is an innovative thinker, who is strong verbal, the presentation and written communication skills. Okay, should be excellent problem solving skills, which we should actually have some ability to identify the issues, to solve out the issues quickly and well, and know like when to rely on internal resources to assist all the things like that, right? Should have the strong conflict resolution and the negotiation skills. Okay, should have the superb organizational skills to be able to coordinate the complicated projects, exceptional team building and the team management skills with some proven experience managing virtual teams. Okay, these are what all other requirements for the same. So what are the important dates and the deadlines? So the application deadline is 10th of March, 5 days after today. Okay, the job location is the Bangalore. Salary it is not defined, will be based over your interview. The work details are 6 working days. The job type is an office and it is a full time. So this respective internship by Adobe can be very useful for you as a project management internship. So if you are an MBA person or you're doing your MBA or if you're a graduate, you can go ahead and apply for this internship. If you enjoyed the video, do like this video with your friend, do share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe out my channel. We'll see you there in the next video.